Hello everyone, I'm Rohit. On behalf of Zero Window Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters, and in short, we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. Today, the chapter that I'll be covering is from Class 5 NCERT board. Subject is mathematics, and the name of the lesson is known as Mapping Your Way. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as experiential education. The main innovation behind using this idea is to make the students understand the concepts that have been taught in the lesson and revise them with the help of different hands-on activities. The duration for this activity will be two periods of 40 minutes each. And some of the important concepts that we'll be covering with the help of this innovation are to get the perspective of representing 3D objects in 2D, to relate the commonly used terms or measurements of length and how to convert them, to map and represent 2D objects, to estimate right angles, and so on. First of all, we focus on explaining the concepts, the ones which we have mentioned. For that, we tell the students that today we are going to draw the view of the class. And while saying so, we distribute the whole class into six groups. We tell the students to go around the classroom, look around the classroom, and we tell them that now we are going to prepare a map of the classroom. We ask the students to use different symbols to represent the different items, different accessories that are there in the classroom, like the blackboard, benches, chairs, etc. We give sufficient time for that. Once they're done with it, we ask them to keep their map in front of them and we initiate a discussion with different questions. Some of the sample questions could be, what is there in front of the blackboard? What is there at the right of the blackboard? What is there at the left of the blackboard? If the blackboard is at the southernmost corner, to its what is there to beneath it? Or which object takes more space in your map, whether it's a bench or a table? We take all the possible responses, and then we ask them to estimate a length and width, measure estimated length and width, and write it on the map. Then we tell them that now we are going to measure the length and breadth of the class with the help of a measuring scale. We make them measure the whole length and breadth of the classroom with the help of a measuring scale. And we tell them that to represent this length in our map, we can convert, we can take the estimation counting measurement as 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. And that way we write that in our map. We help them while in doing so, and then we inform the students that with the help of different symbols, different directions, or different scale, we can draw maps for any, we can read maps, and also we can prepare maps of for any area. Then to revise the concepts that we have learned in the lesson, which we have explained in the class, we take the students outside to the playground for revising the concepts. And while going to the playground, we take the students in a maintaining a proper line. Once we reach the playground, again we distribute the class into six groups, and then we again do the same activity which we have done in the class. This time we tell the students that now we are going to prepare a map of the school. We ask the students to observe all the canteen, playground, prayer hall, etc., whatever that main gate, whatever is there, and take certain symbols for them, and then prepare a similar map, the one which they have prepared for the classroom, and prepare it in the notebooks. And once they're done with it, we ask them to measure the distance from the place they're standing to the main gate, that with how many number of steps it takes from their position to the main gate. Then we ask them that how many steps you have taken. Then we ask them to estimate a length of the whole class, whole school boundary, and we tell them, inform them, since it is not possible to take the whole measurement with the help of a measuring scale, we again inform them that if we want to write the length in our map, if we want to represent the length in our map, then we can take the following measurement. We can represent 1 centimeter equal to 100 centimeter. This way we continue with the class, giving the students a better understanding of the perspective of how 3D objects looks when we represent them in 2D objects, or how we can represent 2D objects in the form of a map, and also how we can estimate how we can to estimate different right angles. And when we start teaching the students in this way, we get a lot of benefits. First of all, it will help in developing the critical thinking and the decision making process among the students. Next, when the students will be working in groups, it will help in developing the teamwork among the students. Along with this, it will also help in building the interpersonal skills and communication skills among the students. And most importantly, when we'll be when we'll be explaining and revising the chapter in this manner, we will be converting the whole class into a fun and interesting one, and we will be creating a self-learning environment among the students. I hope you like this video and go and implement this with your own students. And I'm pretty much sure that when you implement this with your students, you will get a lot of other benefits apart from the ones which I have mentioned. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. If you like this video and you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI. Thank you.